white table. Boys! Headshot! One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh! Boss, there's a guy out there. I can't see him, but I'm stuck behind this wall. Ah! Headman walking. You're the two, aye. Oh, my back's killing me. Fucking right in the badger. Deed as fuck. Smoke? You got yours? Do I do yours then? Fire, cover him, fire, cover him. There's a guy in this building with an armband! Ross! There's a guy in this building right in the middle with an armband on, he's waving it up above. Do you want to go for it? Right, you ready? I'm going to run. Oh, hit! Back in! Bloody hot, man. You're trapped in here, right? Buddy, behind the wall. Aye. Aye. You. Wait. Good shot. Scott, just keep that there. Is that Scott? No, it's not Scott. I think that was a ricochet. If you got him for the back, it would have been a ricochet, they were hitting half the time. Well, that guy's using a gas gun, that's why he's fucking so. Pal. Buddy. Straight through, there's a guy. Try and catch him for that side of the door, I can't get round enough with my helmet and all that. Straight diagonally across. No, just shoot. If you give me some cover, I'll try and shoot Dave. It's just this helmet. Right, so straight into this building diagonally across this. You know what I'm talking about? You see him? Yeah. Oh shit, sorry bud. Right, stay here. Oh, is it? Fuck this man. Ooh. Did I get you? Oh, hit! I'm out. I think I taken that one up my sleeve. Saucy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, shot, big man. Shot me right in the roof. It's a good shot. Oh, come on. Push up. Gosh. Yeah. Fire up! Fuck. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try and get to your bud. Woo! Stop! Pushing up. Oh, fuck. Pushing up, they're pushing up! Oof. Scott! Yes. Woo! Scott, where are you? Push up. There's two on. Directly across phase, there's one either corner. Fuck! I could have had him there too. Oh, rage. Woo! Ah! Oh, yellow medic! Came on right in the neck. Shots came through there. Straight across, there's a guy up here too though. Yeah, I see him. Pushing up left! Is he quite a heavy boy? Aye, I shot him earlier. Behind there, you just want to make that shed there. Aye. Thing is though, we don't need you. Woo! Guys, run back, down. Why don't we push him down the stairs? I think that was probably your own team, to be honest. Woo! Oh, that guy's accurate, man. Up here to the right, left, well, your left, right in the corner. Somebody. Can I get cover and fire off you this way?
Cover fire!
Ross, cover and fire up that direction. Aye. Well, as ready as I will be. I'm going to run. Whoa! Right in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Back in. Scott, run up that house. Straight up in the window. Right, don't make him get through the hole, cut up the back. Fancy it? They always freak out when you shine the light on them. As soon as you flash them, they go away. Guys up there in that window.
The guy on the left at that top cover.
Oh, chat it. You. You. Completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's awfully nice how your team won't buy leaving you.
I'm the objective.
Oh, are you?
About fucking 10 guys walk by me. What the fuck's that about?
Who's clever is this? Scott! What flavour are you? Yellow. Oh, you're in our team, but you can protect you. I don't know what's going on, man. Oh, fuck. It's a Norwegian death metal band.
Scott!
Can you go, bud? Just watch my heat drops. Push through that line, come up the back.
I think we've got the rules at the far ends might be a different story.
Right. Yeah, but I can't see. Can't see where I'm putting it. Oh. Grenade! Oh, you shot me about a million times there.
Oh my god, damn man. Blues down the bomb!
Jesus, folks. Not even good.
Blues! Yellow medic!
Yellow medic!
Hit my one red!
I'm not even deep. Yeah. Ah! Ow! Yellow medic! Yellow medic! They shot me. Didn't he shoot me? Yellow. Yellow medic. Good play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Back in! Back in!
Go for it. grab her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Back in!
You're so far away. How? Oh, ah! Hey, I'm out. Is there anybody up there? I want to grab one of these, but I don't know if there's folk that way. Pa pa pa. No, there's a guy up here though. You get hit? I thought you said hit there. Where are the shots coming for? The bomb's there. Yellow medic! You don't use it, you're married. You got in just in time. Yellow medic! Ah! I can't even see your armbands. Has he got armbands on? Yeah, I'm dead. He's got me pinned. There's a guy just here left, there's a barricade, he's in behind it. You seen him? Run in, gun behind this door. He's a cheater, don't listen to him. Hold on, I'm going to cut across, right, I'm going to go in here. The guy's right there, or he was anyway. Yeah. Oh no, there's a guy here, behind that barrier. Oh. He's behind this barricade right here. I'm down behind you, Russell. Coming in, coming on. Is he done? Sweet. Just watch Scotsers. Who's shooting in?
I'm behind the one behind that box here. Get off for all, man! Serge, yourself behind that box, behind the box.
Oh, ah! It's just a medic. Sorry, bud.
I was going to say, whoever medic you's dead as well, because if I hit you, it hits both of you.
No, you've not hit me since you dragged me.
Sorry, pal.
Back in!
It's all nine with pouches. Marshall! Camera guy. Whoever. High vis guy. Oh, right in the horn. Deep? No. Fucking bleeding the arm out of him. Dead man, yellow guy coming up the stair. No squeeze by, bud. Dead man walking! Ah! You fucking shot me right in the leg. Ah! Yellow man, yellow man. I was shooting in that building.
Just put your hand up, medic. Somebody go medic him. Whoever shot him.
That would be nobody.